We've all had that feeling of being caught up in the intensity of a sports game. The roar of the crowd, the shouts of the coaches, the buzzers, the whistles, and then that moment when someone takes a shot and everyone holds their breath. That's the feeling you get when you read The Crossover by Kwame Alexander. It's about a boy named Josh, also known as Filthy McNasty. He's 12 years old in middle school and he loves basketball and is hoping to win the championship this year. The way Alexander writes this book is that he uses not only just the short, action packed words, but he also makes it so it looks amazing. So it brings your eyes down in caps and lowercase, and I know it's backwards, but a lot like this. I want to read you how Josh describes himself. Filthy McNasty is a mythical man-child of rather dubious distinction, always agitating, combinating, and elevating his game. He dribbles, fakes, and then he takes the rock to the glass fast and on a blast. But watch out when he shoots, or you'll get fooled, schooled, uncooled. Because when Filthy gets hot, he has a slammerific shot, and it's dunkalicious, classy, supersonic, sassy, and downright in your face, McNasty. When Josh finds out that his world is starting to change, when his relationship with his twin brother Jordan is tested by things that they've done to each other or said, or things that have happened on the court, or girls at school, he has to realize that things will not always stay the same. Except for his dad, the man Bell, a former European basketball player, who is their number one fan and always the greatest supporter, and he never misses a game until no spoilers. This action-packed book, written in free verse, realistic fiction, is great for anyone's from grades 5 to 8 that remembers what it's like to be young and unstoppable and yet vulnerable all at the same time. Give this book a chance. It's a whirlwind of a story, and you won't regret it.